You know, all over the country, homeowners are having a terrible time with deer in their landscape and the damage that they do to their prize plants, especially things like their azaleas.
Now I know there's a lot of different systems and chemicals and that type of thing that are out on the market to repel deer, but what do you recommend?
Well, actually, there's an entire industry that has built itself up around trying to get rid of deer. And in all honesty, a lot of these products just don't work. I've tried a lot of different things. I've had some success with two chemical products called Liquid Fence and Holly Ridge. But the bottom line is if those deer are really hungry, especially in a bad winter, they're going to eat the siding off your house.
Well, what about some homespun remedies? You always have these little tricks that you can share with us.
Well, actually, a customer's just shared with me one of her remedies. She'll take a gallon of water, 6 eggs, mix it together, and then add what you call a sticking agent so it'll bind to the leaves. And she sprays this on all her prize plants in the fall. And apparently, the deer just stay away right straight through the wintertime.
That's a pretty simple system.
And I've got one more little tip here for you. This is probably the simplest of all. This is green deodorant soap. Just go to your drugstore, buy a few bars. You can cut it into small chunks and thread something like a tie through it. And just go out and tie it onto the plants you really care about. And it absolutely seems to work. The deer stay away.